Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. Just before 11 o'clock in Honolulu, 5 o'clock in New York. It is Monday, March the 12th, 2018, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. A weak U.S. dollar contributed to the unchanged market in gold because selling did bid the precious yellow metal down. Gold closing down about 40 cents at $13.2360, and silver closed off by 6 cents at $16.54. As we said, a lower U.S. dollar down about 18 points, settled at 89.88. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed lower by about 157 points, closing at 25,178. However, the NASDAQ did trade higher on the day. Lastly, Bitcoin 89.80 and 89.60, losing about $300 collectively in the CBOE and CME exchanges. Last week, we had many events that truly affected the financial markets. Trump's announcement that he had signed a proclamation to initiate trade tariffs on steel and aluminum beginning in 2 weeks, and the most robust jobs report since the middle of 2016 was an impetus to see this market really move and move in a volatile manner. Overall, last week we saw gold decline. However, we saw gold trade off of the lows both on Friday as well as today to either close unchanged or slightly higher on the day. Gold is currently trading up about 20 cents. We're looking at April futures, which are currently trading at $13.2430, up 30 cents. And traders, of course, it has been dollar strength and dollar weakness that has been a large factor in gold pricing. Today, for example, when we look at the fact that gold in essence is unchanged, we can see that it is derived of a weak U.S. dollar gaining about $3.50 and selling pressure equally moving the market back, which is where we're getting our unchanged market. I draw to your attention the Kitco Gold Index, which of course works with spot gold. The dollar is currently trading down 18 points, 0.2%, and is fixed at 89.88. When we look at spot gold, which is currently fixed at $13.2290, we can see that due to a weakening U.S. dollar, it's actually gained $3.40. However, there is selling in the market, and the selling in the market overtakes any kind of dollar weakness by about 20 cents, which is where we get a net change on the day of 20 cents, canceling each other out. And traders, silver is currently trading off approximately 5 cents on the day at $16.56. However, it maintains a tight and narrow trading range, as can be seen on this daily chart. Also, a case can definitely be made as we look at these series of lows that are coming in, as well as our series of highs, that we do continue to see market range compressing, and this being a much larger compression triangle than we have seen previously, we can look for a bigger spike once silver pricing reaches the apex of this triangle. And traders, Bitcoin continues to trade under pressure, breaking below 9,000 today, with Bitcoin futures, basis of CBOE's contract, currently trading off by about $280 at $88.55. The key, as we said on Friday, is the fact that we had an effective close below the 23% retracement. The 23% retracement comes in roughly at 93, at 92.70, and the fact that we close solidly below that indicates to me that the next real level of support will not come in till about $8,000. We have to realize that Japan, which was accounting for approximately 70% of daily volume in Bitcoin, has now contracted to about 40%, as well as other cryptocurrencies coming into the limelight. Traders, it hit the newswire just this morning that our budget deficit has grown to the largest it's been since 2012. At the same time, it was reported that revenue or income tax is actually down. I'm sure that is largely due to the tax cut. Expect these two factors to enter into market sentiment further down the road, and it could definitely create some fireworks. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.